Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include traction control, satellite radio, heated mirrors, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid, rear wheel drive, tire pressure monitor. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.